question we are told that x is a real number, and we are also told that there is an expression x square plus 34x minus 71 divided by x square plus 2x minus 7. We are asked to find out what are the integral values between 1 and 15 that this expression cannot take. So let us assume that the value of this expression x square plus 34x minus 71 divided by x square plus 2x minus 7 is equal to y for some variable y, and we'll try to figure out what are all the integral values between 1 and 15 that y cannot take. So let us multiply both sides, cross multiply the denominator with the right hand side. So it becomes equal to x square plus 34x minus 71 is equal to yx square plus 2xy minus 7y. We can write this as a quadratic equation in x. So this will be equal to x square into y minus 1 plus x into 2y minus 34 plus 71 minus 7y is equal to 0. When you have a quadratic equation which is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and if you are told that x is a real number, then it would imply that the discriminant of this quadratic equation is greater than or equal to 0. What is the discriminant? That will be equal to b square minus 4ac. This has to be greater than or equal to 0 if x is real. So now we know that the b square minus 4ac, that is the discriminant of this given quadratic equation, has to be greater than or equal to 0. So this would imply that 2y minus 34 whole square should be greater than or equal to 4 times y minus 1 into 71 minus 7y. 2y minus 34 is 4 times y minus 17 whole square. So we can cancel 4 on left hand side and right hand side. So this becomes equal to y minus 17 whole square is greater than or equal to y minus 1 into 71 minus 7y. Just for ease, let us bring the term on the right hand side to the left hand side. So this would imply that y minus 17 whole square, which is y square minus 34y plus 289 minus y minus 1 into 71 minus 7y should be greater than or equal to 0. If you are looking only at that second term, which is minus of y minus 1 into 71 minus 7y, this can be written as y square minus 34y plus 289 plus y minus 1 into 7y minus 71 should be greater than or equal to 0. We have just written this so that it becomes easy for us to calculate and we won't commit any silly mistakes. This will be equal to 7y square minus 7y minus 71y, so this is minus 78y plus 71, and this is y square minus 34y plus 289 plus this has to be greater than or equal to 0. We can simplify this to equal 8y square minus 112y plus 360 is greater than or equal to 0. We can divide the entire equation with 8, so this becomes equal to y square minus 14y plus 45 is greater than or equal to 0, or y minus 5 into y minus 9 has to be greater than or equal to 0. This would imply that the value of y will belong to minus infinity to 5 included union 9 to infinity. So y can take all the values from minus infinity to 5 and it can take values from 9 to infinity. We are told that y is an integer, so what are the values that y cannot take? The integral values that y cannot take? The integral values will be 6, 7 and 8, which lie between 1 and 15. So the required answer is that y cannot take 3 values.